Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key in order to turn your device off, and when this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap on this icon once again and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode, to quit it, what you will have to do is to just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.